Introducing the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT four-wheel drive SuperCrew engine, featuring a 145-inch wheelbase and the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. This Oxford white powerhouse is equipped with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission for seamless power delivery on any terrain. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are navigating the rugged Sumas Mountain backroads or hauling a heavy load across town, this truck is built to exceed every expectation. The XLT Chrome Appearance Package adds a sophisticated touch with angular anodized running boards and 20-inch chrome-like PVD wheels that command attention at every intersection. Inside the cabin, you will find a refined medium dark slate cloth interior, designed for both durability and modern connectivity. The 12-inch center display and 12-inch cluster display provide an intuitive interface for the 5G modem and Sync 4 with AppLink, while the dual-zone electronic air conditioning ensures total comfort for all 5 passengers. Short pause.
This F-150 is fully prepared for the job site with a factory-installed tough bed spray-in bedliner and the comprehensive tow haul package. With the integrated trailer brake controller and a Class 4 trailer hitch, you have the ultimate setup for towing your boat or trailer safely through the valley's winding routes. A common question we hear is about the driver assistance technology included on this specific model, and the window sticker highlights a massive array of standard features. This XLT includes the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking to keep you and your family safe on every journey. Stop by our showroom to see how the 2026 F-150 continues to lead the way in innovation and sheer capability. Our team is ready to show you why this is the perfect truck for your Fraser Valley lifestyle. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.